Hello, superstars. Once again, you're welcome to La Prince World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and in this short video, I'm going to analyze V75 one else so you can understand how to analyze this market. All right. So the first, I'm going to remove all these things and see the market based on price action and the smart money concept. All right. So this market, obviously, according to the 4 hours time frame, this market is giving us higher highs and higher lows. It means that the market is actually trading to the upside. All right, it's giving us higher highs and higher lows. So I'm going to draw my trend line. Now the market has just gotten to our almost on the trend line. All right, so what it means that we are supposed to buy here, right? But no, you're not going to buy here. All right, we're also going to look out for other block. So I'm going to identify one other block is where price suddenly get to a place and then it spike from that particular zone or area. So this is our other block. All right, so as a smart money trader, you don't just trade on this trend line. You allow most of the time the market will break out of this trend line. So before I look out for that opportunity, let me map out my order block. This particular place is my order block. Remember, order block is a place where price gets to and then all of a sudden price start moving. It was shifting. It was an uptrend. It took out this, it went up, taking this high, and then came back to this order block, and then it skyrocketed to the upside. So we expect that the market will break out of this trend line. We don't want to buy because the market is on this trend line. No, we're going to allow the market to break out of this trend line. Of course, get to this our order block. All right, when the market get to this order block, that's where we'll now look for fair value gaps with maybe 1 hour time frame if you want to have an early entry, or 30 minutes time frame fair value gap, and then we'll look for buy opportunity. It's as simple as that. So we are looking at for order block on this. We're looking at for price to react to this our order block, or price reacting, giving us if price get to this break out of this trend line. All right, if it gets to this trend line, we're not buying. We expect the market to break out completely, let it completely break out of this trend line, and then give us fair value gap. Maybe after breakout happens, either I come to this particular order block, or we'll look for a fair value gap on 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame. If you see a fair value gap, I've talked about fair value gap. If you have not watched my videos, look out for my videos on fair value gap on this channel. Smart money concept where I talk about fair value gaps. It's a 3 candlestick formations that happen in the market. So if the market breaks out of this trend line, and then we look out for fair value gap on 1 hour time frame to look for a buy opportunity, or the market gets to this our order block, and then we look out for fair value gap to take the market to the upside. If we see a fair value gap, we just make it and draw a line, and then the market gets to the fair value gap, and then we make trading decisions. That's how you trade, guys. If you have not traded with Deriv, I want to encourage you to use the link on the bio to trade with Deriv. Very low spread, and also you can trade these indices every single day. So it means that if you have $5, you can trade. If you have $1, some trades I even take with 50-cent stop loss. So the beauty about this, the one unique thing about this particular trading platform is that it allows you to trade with small money. So those who don't have up to $100, you can start with $10, $20, even $5. You can start, but you deposit $10. All right, guys. So I'll see you next time. Join the La Prince World Academy. Chat me on my DM. Join the academy and make money trading forex. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.